Every week, completed jobs can sit on the dashboard waiting to be invoiced. The work is done. The engineer has finished. The customer is ready to be billed. But someone still has to spot it. The invoicing agent takes care of that first step automatically. It periodically checks the jobs dashboard and looks for any jobs that are marked as completed but have not yet been invoiced. For each customer, it reviews the completed work, gathers the job details, and prepares a draft invoice. No chasing through job lists, no manually checking which jobs are ready, no missed completed work sitting unbilled. Once the draft invoice is ready, the agent sends an instant message to all administrators. The message lets the team know that an invoice has been prepared and is waiting for review. Administrators can then check the details, make any final adjustments, and submit the invoice when they are happy. The agent does not replace the final approval step. It simply makes sure the right invoices are drafted at the right time and that the right people are notified straight away. So ultimately, you get paid quicker. Completed jobs are picked up faster. Administrators spend less time searching, and customers can be invoiced without delays slipping through the cracks. The invoicing agent helps turn completed work into draft invoices, ready for your team to review and send.